Thank you for choosing the Clean Clip, your personal portable sanitization device. Today we're going to go over unboxing the Clean Clip, using the Clean Clip, and cartridge disposal. Let's take a look inside the box. Within the box, you'll see the Clean Clip, USB-C charging cable, and 2 sanitizer cartridges. Let's take a closer look at the Clean Clip. It's a fairly simple device to use. It has an activation button on top, the nozzle down below, USB-C charging port with an LED charging indicator light. On the back, we have a belt clip, and on the side of the Clean Clip, we have the cartridge compartment with a magnetic latch on the top and a pull tab for getting your cartridge out. So let's put a cartridge in, making sure the orientation of the cartridge is correct with the black on the bottom. Push the cartridge in, and we're done. We are now ready to use the sanitizer. You will find each cartridge lasting about 40 dispersions. To change the cartridge, let's take a look. So you simply grab the pull tab and release the cartridge. Now, normally you wouldn't release a full cartridge, but let's just pretend the cartridge was empty. Now, when the cartridge is empty, we're not just throwing it right out. We want to make sure we're getting that last bit of sanitizer. So we just take the bung off, use the last little bit of sanitizer in there. Now we are ready to throw this in the recycling bin. To get more cartridges, you can simply order them from our supply depot or be on the auto ship program to receive a regular supply of cartridges. We also have a magnetic attachment that fits onto the back of your Clean Clip. This allows you the freedom of placing it on yourself wherever you like. We also have this armband attachment, which makes that really convenient, as you can just pop it right onto your armband, ready to go. Your Clean Clip doesn't need to be pink. We offer many different colors with our standard color as black. With regular usage, we recommend weekly battery charging. To do this, open the flap on the left, insert your USB-C cord into the port. When charging, you will see the LED illuminated. When it's done charging, the light goes out. You're now fully trained on how to use your Clean Clip. This concludes our Clean Clip unboxing video. Everyone, please keep in mind both the cartridge and the bung are fully recyclable. If you're looking for some quick instructions on the go, we also have them included on the pull tab within the cartridge compartment. Thank you, and enjoy your Clean Clip.